Welcome my beautiful friends to Florida Kitchen, and we're gonna be making some flounder. All right, and this flounder, this type of fish, has very little amount of calories, and for these two fishes is like 60 calories. So if you want to eat healthier and lose that weight, eat flounder. Okay, so we cleaned that fish with water, and we're going to be using some very simple ingredients for the flounder. It already has really good taste. Okay, and we have the pan right here in heat, and we're going to be putting some olive oil very soon. Okay, we added some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some cumin, and some coriander. Okay, and those are the simple ingredients: garlic powder, coriander, and cumin and black pepper. You could also use cloves of garlic, which is much better, but we're making it a much simpler way. We're adding some salts. I would recommend Himalayan salts if you want to go much healthier. So we're going to be adding that olive oil right there. It's in the back. Okay, and it's a very thin fish. You don't need that much oil because it's thin. So it cooks pretty fast. You don't need that much time either. It cooks really fast because that type of flounder fish is quite thin. Turning the sides of the fish so that it could absorb the seasoning from the other section. Okay, we're adding just a little bit of more seasoning on that other side because it didn't absorb too much of the other section. So we'll be adding a little bit more of garlic powder, a little bit more of salts. Don't overdo with the salt because this type of fish absorbs the ingredients quite thoroughly. So we have some olive oil to make our cooking a lot healthier. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish you could smell this fish. It smells so good. Oh man, it's so delicious, especially with the fisherman rice. Hey guys, check the video of the fisherman rice. It goes particularly awesome with fish. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It's getting golden brown. This fish cooks really fast because it's thin. So make sure that your heat is on medium or low. And it's going to be done very soon. That's how easy this fish is to cook. It's called the flounder fish. Also, you guys can actually put what do you call it? Some flour and on the fish to make it more delicious, but it's not healthier. All right, my beautiful friends, look at the end results of that fisherman rice. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious, and I wish you guys could smell it. And it goes next to the fish. That's the flounder fish that we made. We have the video for that, and it's very, very, very simple. It's like a very short video, and wow, look at that rice. It's amazing, and it smells so delicious with some lime. Guys, I recommend it. Totally recommend this rice. What did you put on top of that the rice? A little bit of parsley, to make it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. All right, guys, so that is the end results. Copy this recipe. If you did it, share it with me and let me know how it was, or send me a link and see if you are able to make this same rice. All right, see you guys soon. Subscribe, like, and comment. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. It really, really touches my heart when you do. Bye, guys.